If I'll ever fall in love again, let it be real, let it stay. Ngake ngalimala ngaphambili, athwala uthando ngaphakathi kimi. Now I stand with an open heart, trying to trust a brand new start. Kangingasafuni ukuphinda futhi, kangasaboni muntu eduze nami. But your eyes found me in silence deep. Woke the dreams I tried to keep. If I ever fall in love again, ngifuna kube nguwe kuphela. A love that stays, a love that heals, one that shows me something real. If I ever give my heart once more, ngizoyivula ngawe sithandwa. No more pain behind the door, only truth forevermore.
If I ever fall in love again,
yakhetha wena, my dear best friend.
ngoba wena uletha ukuthula.
You make my broken pieces whole again.
If I ever love with all I am,
ngizokunika yonke
inhliziyo yami.
Hold me close and never let go.
You are the only love I know.
Kudala ngakhala ngaphakathi, ngifihla amamebe enhliziyweni. I wore a smile to hide the pain, never thought I'd trust again.
Then you came with gentle truth, wabuyisa uthando ebusheni bami.
Every word you softly say
takes the lonely hurt away.
Oh, ngakubona uthule njalo, ngabona usize emehlweni akho. So I stayed and held your hand, hoping you would understand. Love is not to break your soul, uthando lufanele luphilise. I will stand beside your name and never play a hurting game. If we ever lose our way, sizobuyela othandweni lwethu. No fear now, no running far. You and I know who we are.
If I ever fall in love again,
yakhetha wena,
my dear best friend. ngoba wena uletha ukuthula.
you make my broken pieces whole again.
If I ever love with all I am,
Ngizokunika yonke,
inhliziyo yami.
hold me close and never let go.
You are the only love I know.
Stay with me.
Don't let this love become a memory. You found me when my heart was tired. Now let forever begin here.
Ngifuna ukuhlala nawe, ngibona uthando lukhula njalo. poetry writes my pain. Every smile restores again. Goba wenu isi posami, the only truth inside me. Izowakeli kaya lothando, lapho inhliziyo yakhe iphumula khona. No more tears behind